Good morning, guys. I am officially out of the house. I've been in the house for a few days, but I'm out in the cold because I am going into a final walk, and I'm actually doing it by myself because my buyer is coming from out of town to close today, and it's super exciting, and I'm just so happy that I can go and do this for her, because obviously I have a lot of clients who are coming from out of town, and so it makes some of the things like an inspection, which tomorrow I have an inspection with some buyers that are also out of town. They're not living here full time currently yet, and I just love to be able to help with whether it's inspection, like I said, a final walkthrough, just anything to kind of bridge that gap, because I understand that sometimes you need to make a move. So let's make a move together. I hope today that you stay warm. I know it's warmer than it has been, but still it's cold. But the sun coming out is a really good sign. So I hope everyone has a great day. Bye.